So here is your first look at the Yeezy 350 V2 True Form, or Tail Light, because they are practically the same shoe. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a review of, yes, another pair of Yeezy 350 V2. So this is the latest colorway that released today, if I get this video up today, or yesterday, if I get the video up tomorrow. But this is the latest colorway. It's called the Tail Light colorway. Here's a look at the label. It just says Tail GT, Tail GT, Tail GT across it. It's a size 9. This is my personal pair. Just picked it up. I managed to get 3 pairs, 2 of which online, so they haven't come in yet, but this pair was purchased from Foot Locker retail store. Easy as that. You've all seen a 350 V2 box a million times, so I'll just open it up and just take a look at the colorway itself. So here is your first look at the Yeezy 350 V2 True Form, or Tail Light, because they are practically the same shoe. So here are the sneakers themselves. And you cannot tell me these do not look like the True Form Yeezys that released, last year was it? They've released so many I can't remember. These were European exclusive, and then the US and then Asia got different colorways as well. I'm disappointed in Adidas and Yeezy as to why they decided to pretty much redo the True Form colorway. I have no idea why they've done that. And also they decided to do it in the same place. Why is Europe getting both the True Form and the Tail Light? I don't see the point in that at all. Anyway, I do actually kind of like this shoe. I like it more than the True Form, even though it's practically the same shoe. So I sold my True Forms. You can see my review. I'll try and pop it up there. But I did sell them, so I do have a fake pair. And like come on. Full grey upper, orange pull tab. Obviously there are differences in the colours and the sole, but like, come on. There is basically no difference. So anyway, Adidas and Yeezy have released, obviously, new colorways of this. We are expecting another 2 colorways, the Cinder and, I can't remember what the other one's called, but it's like a teal blue or something colorway, which actually looks pretty good, something different. The Cinder, I will probably get, but I don't really think I'll keep it, just because it is practically the triple black statics, just with a gum sole, so I'll probably get that, review it, and then sell it. But in terms of the Tail Light, I think, obviously, full grey shoe is really nice, clean, everyday wear, and then it adds a little bit different with that pull tab. That pull tab is a lot darker than on the True Form, which it really does stand out when you're wearing it. I will give you some on-foot shots as well at the end, but it really does stand out. So it's not like a shoe you can wear with every outfit. This pull tab does make it quite hard to wear just because it's such a bright colour. So the upper knit is a complete grey upper knit all the way through. The pull tab is a bright dark orange on the pull tab going around the heel. Just under the back part of the stripe, that orange pull tab continues. It is actually the same colour, it just looks a different colour because it's underneath that outer stripe lining. In terms of the insole, inner sole is once again lighter grey, and the Adidas Yeezy print is in the same colour as that on the pull tab. What I thought would have been nice is like the Yeezy Marsh, I think it's called the Yeezy Marsh, the mustard coloured one. They had inverted the stitching so you couldn't actually see the stitching, it was on the inside. I think that would have been a pretty cool touch to add to these, just to give it something different. It does have a kind of translucent stripe going on the outside. It's like a grey translucent stripe on the outside, so you can see the colours coming through, but it does have a grey like overlay to it. What I think Yeezy should start doing with 350 V2s is adding spare laces. I think these would have looked pretty good with the same colour pull tab on the laces as well, I think they should add that just to give like customers something to customize their shoes with it, give it something different. I also think these would have looked very good if they had a full grey reflective stripe on the outer side as well, instead of the actual transparent one. That would have been something to add as well. In terms of comparisons to the True Form, this is definitely the better colorway in my opinion. The sole being matching with the actual upper looks a lot better in my opinion. Obviously has boost all the way through, so like every other 350 V2, going to be incredibly comfortable. Make sure you go half a size up like every 350 V2. They do fit incredibly tight towards the toe. So the resale on these isn't too high. I think it's like 20-30 pounds on top, depending on what size you get. It probably will go back up. I can see the True Form is still pretty high, even though he's released, which I find puzzling. But yeah, I think the price will probably rise on these. So I might hold on to my 2 pairs, but I'm not too sure. These weren't that hard to get. I was expecting them to be a little bit harder, but I won on 3 raffles. I could have probably purchased it in store today if I'd gone in, but I think 3 is probably enough. I don't really need any more than that. I might do a comparison between a real and a fake pair. It depends if I order the fake pair in. I'm not sure if I will or not, but I really hope Yeezy start doing something a little bit different. Maybe even stop the 350 V2 line and move on to the 380. I'm in love with my pair of aliens right there. But absolutely love the 380 aliens. There's apparently a mist pair coming out, and I think just something a bit different might actually add to it. I would say this is probably a cop still, but if you have the True Forms, maybe stay away. But if you don't have the True Forms or any of the Belugas, definitely cop this pair. It's a very nice colorway, clean. I did take a quick photo of the shoe. It's on my personal Instagram here, so you can check that out if you want. Give it a like and follow. It really does help me as well. To be honest, this is just going to be a short review because there isn't really much more to say about these. It's a 350 V2. It's a new colorway. It's a very similar colorway to one that's been before, just like usual. But thank you very much for tuning into the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Pretty sarcastic video, but yeah. This is the Yeezy 350 V2 Tail Light. Let me know down below if you caught and what you decide to do with it.